5.6 pounds. That's a big cat.
Breakfast. Come on, come on, let's go. Come on. And here's that.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. I eat the donkey.
Not a good start to our morning. We are in the Cincinnati traffic. Well, good morning. Welcome to the Willy Wonka's River. It's actually stained. It's not that muddy. It stopped raining about 3 days ago, like hard, so it's just been on and off, but there was so much water that it, so it's coming back down.
The water matches my kayak. It's a little dirty today. It's not too bad. Hopefully we'll catch something, guys.
On this foggy Tuesday morning, it's 9:30 a.m. Excited to be on the river today. Hit the thumbs up, the like, subscribe button. We love making videos for you all, and hopefully enjoy them as much as we do making them.
I will say it's a lot easier to go left and right now that the water's hard.
Yeah, it's a largemouth. We got a largemouth this morning. We don't get a lot of these on the Little Miami, guys. All right, get back to your tree, dude. Getting a largie out the gate. Pretty excited about that. Foggy, flowy morning. It's pretty cool. Even if we don't catch anything, it's fun to take the river when it's a little bit more aggressive, when you're used to just sitting here.
Got a bass. All right, little chunky monkey.
Got a drum. Choked it. Nice little drum. Little freshwater drum. Always like catching these things out here on the Little Miami. They will crush a black crankbait, so you can catch a lot of species off this thing. So for a largemouth bass, freshwater drum. I've caught two now. A largemouth and a drum. Well, red eye, look at that pretty one. Crushed the chatterbait.
Red eye bass?
Yeah, look at it. Either way, best bass of the day right there. Crushed the chatterbait with the chartreuse, so hopefully there's more of these. Thank you, sir.
I was so
Worthy opponent.
Like I had to hold him back up.
Slobber knocker ½ ounce with the chartreuse fatty kayak. I'm on. Spinner. Spinner. have no idea what it is. It's probably a catfish or a drum. I mean, this sucker is pull and drag. No. Oh, it's a big cat. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Big old cat today on the spinner. 7 pounds.
You're lying.
Let's go, boys. The big cat of the day. 7 pounds.
We need a picture of its face.
Thank you, buddy. That was awesome.
7-pound cat.
Caught it on the chartreuse spinner bait. It took my, I think I had a 4.3-inch kayak on there.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, okay, so had the sight flash.
They're the best Cheez-Its ever, by the way. I don't know which ones you give me, but they're delicious. Nothing surprises me anymore, I'll be honest. Like, people can have certain, like, specific baits for, like, catfish, bass. Let me tell you something. If they hungry, they gonna eat anything they see in sight. I mean, yeah, I can say that I can use about anything and catch catfish on it. Hawk sounds mad.
Oh boy!
I don't know if he's gonna fit in my net. I think he's I might need help. There goes my paddle.
Get him! Get him! Throw it in.
My paddle.
7.16.
I beat you?
Yeah.
No! I was just talking about Timmy's big 7-pounder. Boy, I got me one. Woo! All right.
Let's give it the release.
Pet the kitty. Thank you, sir. All right. 7.1. Let's go. What just happened?
Just had to top me.
Can you believe that? Thank you.
I shouldn't have gave you my secrets.
No, you shouldn't have, but it worked. Heck, I didn't even set the hook. The thing set the hook for me. I mean, he was a monster. 7.1. Surfing USA. It's shallow right there too, though. I finally got my name back.
Big drum.
No. Oh.
Big drum. Big drum. Yeah, if you want.
Oh, that's close.
5.6.
Oh my God.
There you go, 5.6 pounds. That was on the Rapala. That's the kind of stuff you want to drag in. I was hoping it was a bass, but there you guys go. Big boy.
All right, release the beast.
Thank you, sir. Monster.
I just sent it over the ledge. I didn't know that was there. Oh. All right, everyone. Got a Bible verse for you today. We're going to be doing John chapter 7, verse 37 and 38 in the King James Version. In the last day, that great of the feast, Jesus stood and cried, saying, If any man thirst, let him come unto me and drink. 38. He who believes on me, as the scripture has said, out of his belly shall flow rivers of living water. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed. We're having a blast out here catching some monster fish. All right, let's keep fishing.
I don't know what we found here.
Mayday, mayday. Boat's down, boat's down. Boat's underwater. Oh, there's a turtle sliding off of it.
On its back. I think you're under it. I think you're on it. You'll have to pull it. Dang. Oh, it is broke, ain't it?
Yeah, the back of it's off.
It's been sawed.
I wonder why.
I don't know. That, that. Big crank. Smalley.
Yeah. Hammered it. Nice little fish. Kayak right up in the corner. As soon as it hit, smashed it. You know what happened? Look.
Here comes the sun.
There's sun. It's the first sun we've seen all day. Yeah.
Timmy, got a big one. Big one. What's pulling drag? Oh crap. Hold on, it's a big drum. I got it in my little net. Okay.
That's the same, about the same size I caught there. Nice. 5.68.
No way.
I'm not kidding you.
I beat you today.
By 0.1 on each one. I had 5.5.
No way. That's a big drum.
Hold that thing up, let's see it. About the same size I caught there. Nice.
Okay. Hold on, buddy. I'll let you go out here. All right, buddy. I sure appreciate it. Give you a second there. Look at those beautiful colors. Fish Timmy. Caught the same exact species by what, an ounce?
Yeah.
An ounce off.
No, we got some big fish today. That was awesome.
What's the odds of us catching 2 7-pound catfish
7-pounders and two 5.5 drums. We caught about 25 pounds and 4 fish.
All right, guys, if you want to see some more crazy adventures, just like this one, if you would, please give us that big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Oh, and also hit the notification bell so you know when the next time we upload a video. Thanks.
We'll see you all at the next one.
We're going back to Kentucky, y'all.